Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Fooocus on Windows with an AMD GPU. There will be no Conda or mini Conda involved because, personally, I just hate using it. Before I begin, it's advisable that you have a minimum of 32 GB of RAM installed to run it smoothly. Otherwise, it will be kind of slow. As usual, you need to have Git and Python installed. Make sure they are both 64-bit versions. For Python, get version 3.10.6 and check Add Python 3.10 to path during the installation. The links will be in the video description. Go to the drive or folder where you wish to install Fooocus. Then, type CMD in the address bar and press Enter. Paste the Git Clone Code from the description to download all the necessary files to the folder. Type CD Fooocus to go to Fooocus folder. Next, you will begin by creating a virtual environment using this code, followed by activating it. Then, we will have to install all the dependencies needed for it to run. Lastly but not least, we will install torch-directml. Once this is completed, we need to prepare a model to be used. By default, Fooocus will install an older version of Juggernaut XL. We don't want that, so instead, we can install the latest version which is significantly faster than the older version. Download it to Fooocus, Models, Checkpoints folder. Then, rename the model name as seen on the screen. This will trick the Fooocus into thinking that the model is ready and no further download is required. It's a much safer method than tinkering with the code itself. You may close the command prompt for now. Open a notepad and paste these 2 lines of code. Save it as run.bat in the Fooocus folder. Finally, double-click the run.bat file you just created and wait for the magic to happen. If this doesn't work well for you, you can try using Fooocus using Google Colab from the video on the left. Like and subscribe.